Welcome all. In this lecture, we are discussing about star and delta connections. So, if we are having three resistors, we can connect these three resistors in number of ways. So, two standard connections are there. In one connection, the three resistors are connected like a closed loop. Means one of the end point of first resistor is connected to the starting point of the other resistor, and will form a closed loop, and the connections are taken from these three corners A, B, C. This type of connection is called delta connection. Another type of connection is the common point of these three resistors are connected together, and the connections are taken from end of each resistors. This type is called star connection. And sometimes while analyzing, we have to convert this delta into star and star into delta. So in this lecture, we are discussing these conversions, delta to star and star to delta. Firstly, delta to star conversion. So we are having a delta connected network, means three resistors R1, R2, R3. So we have to convert it into a equivalent star connection with resistances RA, RB, RC. This is the equivalent resistance for a star connection. If we are converting this delta into star, means we will be knowing R1, R2, R3. So we have to find RA, RB and RC. So we have to write the equations for RA, RB, RC in terms of R1, R2, R3. So it is like RA is equal to, we can find this RA by using the values of R1, R2, R3 as R3 into R1 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Similarly, RB equal to R1, R2 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3. RC equal to R2, R3 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3. If these resistors are equal, means if R1, R2, R3 are equal and is equal to R, we can say that RA, RB, RC will be equal to R by 3. Please note that this R1 is in between A and B, R2 is in between B and C, and R3 in between C and A. Okay, so and this RA is in this like A here, RB, B and RC in like C. So that's the case of delta to star conversion. Similarly, we can discuss star to delta conversion. Here it will be in star connection initially. So we have to find the equivalent delta connection. Means we have to find R1, R2, R3 in terms of RA, RB and RC. So R1 is equal to RA, RB plus RB, RC plus RC, RA divided by RB. R2 equal to RA, RB plus RB, RC plus RC, RA by RC. And R3 equal to RA, RB plus RB, RC plus RC, RA divided by RA. By these equations, we can easily find R1, R2, R3 and we can draw it as a delta connection. And here also a special case, if RA, RB, RC are equal to R, then this R1, R2, R3 are equal, which is equal to 3 into R. So this is about the star and delta connections and their conversions. Okay, with this we can wind up the session. Thank you.